Hey everyone, my topic presentation this week is on the Mumbai bombings, also known as India's 9/11, which took place in November of 2008. Now we were asked, why was it considered India's 9/11? And that is because both the US and India experienced tragic loss, pain, and went through a lot of anger. And because of the events, the countries would never be the same. In India, on November 26, 2008, 10 Pakistani men associated with the terror group Lashkar-e-Taiba traveled from Karachi, Pakistan to Mumbai, India via boat, and they were armed with automatic weapons and grenades, and during their travels hijacked a fishing boat, police van, and cars and decided to split up and attack the city. Now, during this time, they actually went and attacked very popular sites in the city. The first was the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, also known as Victoria Station. Another was the Taj Mahal Palace and Tower Hotel, which is pictured to the right. A restaurant called the Leopold Cafe, the Trident Oberoi Hotel, and a Jewish community center, the Nariman House, and a hospital called the Kama Hospital. Mumbai, India is considered to be one of the largest and most densely populated cities in the world. Its population is roughly 20,185,000 people and is such a busy city that it's considered the commercial and financial capital of the country. It's important to know these things because this is the perfect place to cause chaos because of how densely populated this city is. And I believe that this group, Lashkar-e-Taiba, knew that. Their name is also translated into Army of the Pure and Army of the Righteous. They are an Islamic militant organization based in Pakistan. The LAT has been supported by Pakistan's inter-service intelligence to be a subgroup to create instability in India. We've learned a lot about India-Pakistan relations, and it's not good. They don't have a really great relationship. And one of their main focuses, this group's main focus, was to go to war with Indian forces in Kashmir because of the territorial dispute between the countries. Now, because of the Mumbai bombings, 174 people were killed, while 300 people were injured. So 9 of the gunmen who traveled via boat were killed, and the last gunman, Muhammad Ajmal Kasab, on the right, was sentenced to death in India and hung in an Indian prison on November 21st, 2012. Because of the event, Indian security was improved to better fight the war on terror. According to CNN, Indian policymakers moved quickly. They announced plans to build 100 warships over the next decade. They eventually developed a new 3-tiered maritime security system and introduced major technology upgrades, including coastal surveillances. In conclusion, I know that the bombings were a tragic series of events that really hurt the India and Pakistan relationships and hurt any chance at peace for the country. Hopefully, in the future, there will be reconciliation. I feel like this act was something that was bound to happen based on the history between the two countries. Innocent people lost their lives because of a terrorist group's extreme hate for another country. I want to share this scripture. A new commandment I give unto you, that ye love one another as I have loved you, that ye also love one another. John 13:34. I know that as we follow this commandment, that we won't experience these great trials and have to go through war and have to experience that pain and that anger that the United States did on 9/11 or that Indian citizens did on November 26th. I know that to be true. And thanks, guys. Here's my works cited, and you guys have a great week.